How to add a link to your Snapchat story. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add a link to your Snapchat story. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, launch your Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, to add story, tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. Here, scroll down and tap on Add to My Story. Now you can either select an image from your memories or from your camera roll, or simply take a snap by tapping on the camera icon at the top right. Now take a snap. After that, navigate to the menu bar on your right hand side and from there tap on the Paperclip icon. Here you have to paste the link that you have copied recently. And then tap on the search icon from the keyboard. If that is the video or if that is the link that you have copied, simply tap on Attach to Snap. And here the link is now added. If you want to share it your story, simply tap on My Story at the bottom right corner, and with that the story with the link will be added on your story. And that's how you can add a link to your Snapchat story. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.